how's everybody been doing? Like, are we excited that the world's opened back up again? Think it's too soon? I do. But it's never too soon to eat, just saying. So I've got my blue crab here. I found a great spot in Davenport where I reside that I absolutely love, and I am going to devour this. And it's a true staple to my Maryland roots and my upbringing, and I just cannot get enough. And I guess I stand corrected when someone asks me what my go-to meal or my guilty pleasure meal was. I said it was burgers, fries, and a shake. That's true. However, these, so much better. So much better. Let me get a good angle on here for you. Hang tight. Look at this blue crab goodness. Like, I cannot wait to crush this. Come on, y'all. Dig in. Have some with me. Oh, what? You don't know how? Allow me to show you how. First things first. Crabs just aren't the same without beer. Typically where I'm from, I'll go and get a case of Natty Bo, National Bohemian beer. Essentially, it's water, but it just gets the job done. It's a divey beer, but it's absolutely delicious. But here, Yuengling will do. Don't sleep on it. All right, so I'm gonna start with these claws here. Look at that, just. Old Bay and garlic, that's the business. Yeah, it's about to go down. Little crack, and you get this beautiful little nugget. Look at that. Baby, come on with it. Now on the sides here, I have a little rice wine vinegar, which is like a newer thing in our family that we love. We used to use apple cider vinegar. Most of my family still does. This just works better for me. Get a little dip. And you can't have enough Old Bay. Just a little bloop. Get a little more. Just succulent. You just can't not. There's no way to not. I love it. And the only tool that I utilize is a butter knife. I don't have time for mallets. I'm professional. Get in here and get that goodness out. Nice, beautiful lumps of meat. And then keep a trash can nearby. Discard. Pretty simple, right? Absolutely. Now we're gonna get into our actual crab. See? Boom, boom, boom. Always wonderful. Look down here. This membrane, that's how you can tell that it's a male. Don't eat female crabs. And the reason why I say that is, if you leave them alone, they'll have thousands of eggs for more crabs for time and time to come. Lord, my cat's done lost his mind. Go figure. So I often will, pull that membrane down and discard. Easy breezy. Take our legs and discard. There is a small amount of meat in these itty bitty legs. My cousin Brandy loves to get in there and get those. These flappers on the back, these are little swimmies. Utilizing these and pulling these out, if you are lucky and good enough, that's where you'll find the lump, the jumbo lump meat in the back fin. Claws, always save for later because it's one of the best parts. Take a butter knife, and you're gonna have to get a little inappropriate with the crab. Sorry, Mr. Crab. Get in there. And just a simple pry. Take your thumb, pry down, and the entire shell has come off in your hand. The insides of the crab, just gonna scoop down into the shell. Keeps it nice and neat and ready for you. These are actually the crab's mouth. I'll just take those off and discard those. These filters we actually call dead man fingers. Don't let the name freak you out. I don't know why we call them that, we just do. So you're just gonna take them off because you're not gonna ingest that, and you're gonna discard them. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Look at that. Get your life. Now we'll take the flappies. Let's see if we can get some back fin lump out of there, which I have. Not a full nugget, but just a little nugget there. Oh, free up some of that goodness. Dip it in our vinegar, our Old Bay. Y'all, I swear, it is so good. And we'll go ahead and do the same with the other side. Not so successful with that one. And you'll take the actual crab that you have left, the body, and just gently crack it in half. And now you're good to go. You want to feel free to get out any of the actual cartilage that encases all the meat, and you're just going to get that and go ham sandwich. Jumbo lump. Let that sit. Also, while I eat blue crab, sometimes I won't even eat the crab. I'll set that entire crab's body meat aside and I'll freeze it to utilize in crab imperial, crab dip, crab cakes. You know about them crab cakes. Come on, baby. Child, I can't. So this is what I'm doing today. What are you doing today? Leave me a message down in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Taking a break from cooking anything because I've been going ham sandwich in the kitchen and I love it, but even I need time to recharge the creative culinary juices. Last night I made a steak Oscar with a Maryland twist, and it was actually my first time ever making crab imperial. There's this restaurant that I went to. I used to actually work there on my first actual job. It was called Suicide Bridge Restaurant, and their crab imperial was the bomb. It wasn't until I got older that I realized that it was super mayonnaisey, and that might have been a cost control issue, or someone just got, lazy on the recipe. But their crabs are on point. Their crab cakes are great. Their cream of crab soup and crab bisque are out of this world. Some of those things I'm pretty sure I will at some point in time make on my channel. But we'll see as the time goes on. Traditional steak Oscar, or that I've seen, has been made with classic Béarnaise sauce over top of your filet mignon or your ribeye, with asparagus, butter poached, with just lump crab on top of for essentially a garnish. I just decided to make the crab imperial to kind of incorporate those things together, minus the Béarnaise sauce, because it's nothing like an imperial. Pardon me. And it turned out fantastic. The next time I make that dish, I will definitely record a video. I just wanted to take some time away from filming to kind of recoup and get it together. Oh, what's that you say? You like my haircut? Yeah, my haircut. Jaeger bombs, Jaeger bombs, Jaeger bombs. Okay, I'm not playing. My boy Ruben over at XBARBERSHOP on 535 in Orlando. Hit him up. Him and his entire team. The guys are amazing. And you're a walking billboard, so they're never going to do you wrong. All right, friends. Well, I'm going to get here and enjoy the rest of my blue crab. I love you. Thank you for subscribing, and check back next week. God bless your heart and all your parts. We'll see you next time on Carrie's Kitchen.